So anyway, this is Miss Betty. She's doing really well. She's had a quiet night today, and so I'm just going to give her a little snack now with a few worms and a bit of a drink, and then she can have a couple of hours for that to go down. Then okay, there we go. There it is. So she'll have her worms and have a rest for a couple of hours, and I'll take her back to where I got her from, and she can go back to a normal Batty life. So she's nice and bright now. Look how big her eyes are, and she's all alert and active. Flew really well last night, and hid in the top of the fan. It was very clever of you, wasn't it? A bit active, aren't you? All right, you're ready to go, aren't you? You're all better and ready to go. Come here. Put the light on. There we go. Here we go. Come on. Into my hand. Give me some more. Okay. How's that going to go? Hey, Miss Betty? What do you think of that? Hey? You darling? There you go. There's the creek over there. You can feel her shaking. Vibrating and warming up. Hey? There she goes. Good luck, Betty.